All right, ninjas, welcome back. I still have Logan here with me, and we are gonna finish this game in this video, hopefully. So, back to our code here. You can see we had quite a bit of code. So now we're going to fill out this new pink, and if we have a new pink, we probably need a new black as well. So let's do that, and new black. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill it out. I think these two are fine. So let's do the new pink and the new black, right? So this is where it's gonna, while they're thinking, they're gonna tell you what kind of food they want. So let's go ahead and do the pink one first. So we're gonna say pink request text, and it's gonna be empty for now.
I empty.
Um, so we're just gonna make the so after they think over here for a while, we're gonna change it to be empty, right? So right here, that's why it's gonna for a few. It's gonna be a random number of seconds, and it will go empty, and then they will say something else.
Same for black.
Same for black, but let's finish the pink first. So now we're gonna say var pink food num, right, is equal to math dot round. We're
I
gonna
think it's gonna be the part 1 to part 10.
No, it's not. This is gonna be the last video. We have a few more functions to write. So random, and then we'll do 9 to 1 because there's 9 pieces of food. And then we'll do, that was pink food. So let's just use that. Pink food is equal um, to this dot find name. Remember this dot find name, but we need that uppercase N. Find name, and we're gonna give it the food name plus food food num. We have no issues here. So this is just going to determine what the pink food is. And then we're going to say new food pink, okay, is equal to pink food clone. Uh-oh. What does clone do? Do you remember?
It creates a clone.
Well, that's exactly what it does. All right, so now that we have, I don't know what's happening here. Now that we have, oh, okay. Now that we have the clone, um, we're gonna make it a little bit smaller. So if we put the burger, if we get the burger, for example, we wanna bring it up here in the thought bubble, but to do that, we need to make it a little bit smaller so it can fit, right? So I'm gonna go back to my code. Uh-oh, where's my code? Okay, I gotta move my video recording toolbar again, and I'll go back to my scene. Okay, so so I got the clone. The clone is the same size. So let's make it a little bit smaller. We'll say new food ink dot scale x is gonna be 0.7. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And if we scale the x, we probably need to scale the y as well. So I'm gonna copy this and put it here. And let's scale the y. So okay, so it's even. They're gonna be scaled down to 0.7. And then we're going to change the position of it, right? So we'll say new food pink dot x. I'm going to put a value in there. And we're going to say new food pink dot y. Also going to put a value in there. Okay, so let's figure out what the value is. So for x, we're going to do 216, and I've already measured that distance, and minus Okay, so it's gonna do a little bit of math here. I'm gonna say new food pink dot width width times 0.7 divided by 2. Will that work? Yeah, that will work. New food pink dot width times 0.7. Yeah, and then for the y, let's say 96 minus. You don't have to do it this way. You can do it easier for you if it makes sense. New food pink. You can hard code these values if you need to. HEIGHT times 0.7. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so that's done. Okay, last part for this function. Chill, Logan, I know it's late. New food pink draggable is equal to false. So although we could drag these, we don't want to be able to drag the thought bubble, okay? So I am going to go back here, and so we made draggable false. All right, so I think we have everything here for the thought, for the new pink. Let's see what happens if we try it out. So it's gonna take a few seconds and she'll guess, and it goes blank. And then she's got to think. She's got to think this dot scene dot new pink, and nothing happens. But we also didn't get a debug, so it has me wondering what's going on. Let's stop it and try it again. Start. Give me some dessert. 1, 2. Okay, she goes blank, and she should be thinking of a food, but we get nothing. Why don't we have anything? So let's do some debugging. We're gonna go to initialize when scene starts, and let's look at our new food pink. We got function, it's blank here. Pink request dot text. So I'm thinking we don't have any text. We don't have anything in our text. So that may be it, but if we go back here, so new thing pink, we got this dot find name, we have that, this dot pink food dot clone, that's good. Okay, Logan, I need some help debugging. So this dot pink food dot clone, and then scale xy, and then new food pink is equal to 216 minus new food pink dot width times 0.7. That looks pretty good. Divided by 2. That looks good. We have 96 minus new food pink dot height times 0.7 divided by 2. New food pink dot draggable is false. Okay, so I think everything looks okay here, but there might be an issue. So I am going to, oh, I found it. I'm calling it pink food num, but this is a lowercase p right here. So this is probably what's happening. So pink food num, yeah. So the food is never getting found. All right, so let's test it. I'm gonna hit start game. So she says, "Give me some dessert," and then it takes some time, and she will now, boom. So she wants this, and we would give her that, but we don't have any code to make the score work or anything yet. So this is good. We found our issue. Let's go ahead and do the black. and then I think we'll have to do another video. So, okay, so I have the new this.new pink, I have this.new black, but I have no code in this.new black. So let's copy this.
Knew there would be more parts.
I know, it took a while. Okay, so everything is there is the same except that we gotta take off all the pinks and make it black. Okay, so this will take a while. Oh no. What did I do? There we go. Let's change that to black. What is going on with my typing?
What
Okay.
was the sentence word?
I'm just looking for black, and
It's spelled.
no, but I think my finger touched the trackpad. Okay, so here's the problem with clean pasting. So you can easily make a mistake, and I've said that several times. I've made lots of mistakes when copying and pasting. Got that. What else are we missing? Right here. Ruby, help me out. What else am I missing? Oh, right there. Okay. We're at new food pink. Okay, let's fix that. I guess this one too. Thank you. No, they can't see you pointing. That's okay. Okay, we got that, and that's good. So the only thing missing here is that for black, we can't put it here because this will be exactly on the pink bubble. So we need to change the coordinates here. So this part is the same, but we need to change this numbers. Let's make it 547, and 96 is fine because the Y is fine. We're just going to change the X, and draggable is false, so everything is still good. All right, so let's test it and see what happens. I'm gonna hit start game. Let's see, they're gonna randomly, oh, black got it. Okay, so they're both thinking, and they're both thinking, and they're thinking, and they're thinking, but really, they're gonna, it's gonna pile up because we're not giving them what they want. So we need to give them what they want, but we don't have that code yet. Okay, so I think we got a lot done today. So if we go back, we can see that we created the Think Pink and the Think Black. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video